Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn Iswan. This is me, your teacher Ayesha Rizwan. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to teach you a very important thing. I will teach you how you can set the size of the page in MS Word Office. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how you can make an A4 or A3 page size, or how you can adjust the page size into letter size as well. So in the last video, I have taught you about how to add borders, how to add header, footer, and also the page number. If you didn't saw, you can go and check my playlist of computer. There you will go. There you will find all the videos of this MS Word software that I started. Anyways, let's start the video. But still, if you didn't subscribe, do it now and make my channel at least 500 subscribers within 2 months. This is my goal. Okay. So we will go to this is our page, okay, where we write actually. So from the layout option, you will go to layout, and here you have that size. From the layout, you will go to size, and here you will find it. If you want to write letter, you will choose the size of letter, so that once you will print, there will be no worries or no problems for you. Then you have tabloid size, we have legal size, we have statement size, we have executive size, A3, A4. Basically, A4 size is a standard size that usually we use to do printing. So this is what the standard size is. And usually we use to write assignments in A4 size because it's easy to print. So this is how you can adjust the size of the paper. We have some more paper size that you can find from here. You can adjust the width or height according to you. What was you before, it's A4 size that we use for all the assignments. Okay, so this is how you can create a layout. In layout, go to that size option, and from there you will select A4 size. That's it. This is how you can choose or adjust the size of the page. If you like the video, you have to comment, subscribe, like, share, so I feel motivate, and I will share with you all the hacks and tips of MS Words. Okay, let's just end the video now. Wait for the next video. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.